All right, here we are, sidewalk view. Check them out. Hello, thanks for watching the video. So today we're going to be looking at the outdoor solar lights for outside. This is the 12 pack. Had this delivered from Amazon. It took 2 days to get here. Has a really good rating, as you see here. They cost $50, I should say, for the 12 pack. These are metal framed. They're supposed to be waterproof, cold resistant, and heat resistant, as you see there. I got the black, and they also come in silver warm white and silver white. So yeah, let's go outside, take a look at what we've got, and we've got about 2.5 hours of daylight left, so maybe I can get some of these up. So yeah, let's go out there and take a look at them. All right, so here we are. Here's the box. This was shipped inside another box. LED light control, solar fence lights, made in China, of course. This came from an Amazon warehouse, so I got it in 2 days, and just your regular shipping from Amazon. So it's smaller than I thought. Got 12 of the panels here, or lights. Here's a little solar panel, and then the light below it. It's pretty flat. It is kind of heavy for what you see here. So that actually makes me feel like it's probably pretty good quality. So here is the little holes for the screws. So yeah, 12 of those. We have a hardware. That's probably the smallest screw I've ever seen. I don't even think I have a screwdriver that small. It's like something from a watch repair kit to put these up. A lot of screw anchors. I'll probably be using maybe deck screws. I'll try to find a screwdriver. That's just so small. But yeah, 12 of them. Let me show you where I'm going to put them at. Before showing you where I'm going to put this at, I want to go ahead and go over the instructions, which I did. Here they are. They're very basic. And straightforward, really. Just measured this as well. 4 inches across. Length of this is about 3.25 inches. Okay. Batteries. There's an on-off switch. I guess once you get ready to start it, you push it. Yes, and anyway, this being solar, it's going to turn itself off and turn itself on according to the sunlight. Yeah, with battery, I took the 4 screws out following the instructions here. There is a AAA battery that you'll have to replace when the light stops working. And yeah, I just used the screwdriver here, which is not as small as I thought I would need, but got those out really easy. I wish there was an easier way to do this, but you got to take the screws out. Let me show you what it's going to be like to remove this part. Pull this back piece off where the screws were on at. Pull it away, and then the white piece as well. There's kind of a lip here, so to get over that lip, there is our battery. So yeah, I guess if they're not working, before you return it, you may want to just check the battery. Okay, so that's what that's about. So we're going to need some sunlight. All right, so I'm going to put this back on. It's pretty easy to do. It seems like it. And then I'll show you where we're going to put them at. So originally I wanted to get some of these. I got these at a local store, and there's only 2 of them left, and I can't find any more of them. So I wanted to put them on this fence. So that's why I bought the pack of 12. I'll probably put like 5 or 6 here. We've got some fake plants here below it. Just kind of wanted to give a little accent to what we have here. Kind of a new fence. And I'm thinking about putting these either right here, since I've already got one here at the top of the post. Yeah, putting it wherever each post is at, maybe. or I could go higher. I'm not sure what I'll do yet, but you'll see that in the end if you continue watching the video. Big thing, I guess, really is this particular brand and how good it is, what they're going to look like after a full day of solar. So I'll probably go ahead and set them up, and I'll get back with you after that. So here we are with 6 up. This is about a 22 foot fence. What I've done is I've temporarily put them up there with some tape. I've used some alien tape before, you know, drilling or screwing these screws in. Just want to see what it looked like and how many I needed. So I've got 12, so I think I'll do 6 on each side of this fence. I decided to go, you know, down a little bit instead of at the very top. Kind of in the center of where my 2x4 in the back is at, and just above the nail line is where I'm putting them. I think it's going to be okay. I could put more up here, like 8 or so. I mean, I could put all 12 of them up, but I'm thinking that that will be kind of an overkill. I can always add more, but I think that's going to look pretty good. All right, so what I did, just to get the idea that you just saw, I used alien tape so I could kind of decide where exactly I wanted to put them on the fence, how high, and how many pickets in between each one. I've got about 8 pickets, I think, between each light. That's kind of how I did my measurements. I didn't use a tape measure or string or anything. So yeah, this kind of helps. I mean, this stuff is really sticky. And this is the, I think, pretty sure this is the, well, this is the, yeah, this is official alien tape. Yeah, it would probably stay up there for a while till it rained, I guess. All right, about to put the screws in the wood, and we're going to use this as a little matrix for our screw holes. So just taking paper. What we want to do is kind of punch a hole right here and right here, or close to that. And far off right there. Make sure it's level up here. Where is it at? Right here, I think. Okay. That'll be pretty close. Also cut this for the height measurement. Let's go ahead and mark it on the fence. One thing about using tape is you can put your pattern on with the tape holding it and just kind of line everything up. Okay, so yeah, just screwing these in. Gonna need the right screwdriver. I don't have to get them all the way because we got to put our light on, but I at least want to get it about 3/4 of the way in. Looks like I'm gonna have to find another screwdriver. I started out pretty easy. If you have a drill, you can also get it started with the drill and then just screw it a little ways and you'll be set. That's probably what I should have done. Alright, so I'll probably tighten it a little bit more, but that's kind of the idea. I got my screws in pretty tight. I can't even move them. I could probably go a little farther, but that's okay. Now we're just going to line up the holes with our screws and then just pull it down. And yeah, that's where we want to be at. So yeah, that's okay. That looks pretty good. One thing I wanted to note real quick was now these seem to be pretty waterproof, but when you are installing, it might be a good idea not to put them completely flush like that. or you're going to have water settling up here, and maybe it will, you know, I don't know, probably be okay, but mine are going to be kind of like that so that the water can, I guess, kind of go through. Anyway, it's just an idea. So here's an update. So I thought I was going to continue this tomorrow, but these lights are already on. All I got to do is just push the button and not drop them, and we are already getting light. Got all the lights up. It took about an hour. I'm guessing it's about 8 p.m. right now. Took about an hour. Before I show you those, I just want to say that I didn't think they were going to come on until a full day of being charged with sunlight, but yeah, as soon as I put the 6th one up, I pushed a button on the first one, went back and pushed the button on the first one, and did the same to every one of them. Now we have light, and it's only, you know, it's been 2 hours since these things were delivered. That's what we have. I'm sure they're not fully charged, but I mean, it looks pretty cool. I think they look good, very good. So that's 6 of them right there on the front. No problem with any of those. And here is one that I think I told you that I bought from a local store. Look how yellow that looks. Look at the LED light here. Much whiter. I mean, that looks like it's about 20 years old or something. But yeah, pretty impressed. So I'll get back when we get a full day of sun and let you see at nighttime after they've been charged completely, and get a better idea. But right now I'm impressed already. All right, so we're finished. Have all 12 put up on the fence. Wow, we've had sunlight. And here is our lights from last night. They've had full sun all day. Same as the back side. I just got finished putting these up. Back here, 6 of those. So that's all 12. Now I'll be interested to see if all of these work. So far the first 6 did. We'll be looking at how bright they're going to be tonight. So we will wait, and I will get back with you then. Here I am turning on the last one. Beautiful. Every one of them is working. All right, here we are about 8:30 now. It's not pitch dark. Here's the back side. Here's the lights that I put up last. All 6 of these today. I just got finished pushing the button on each and every one of them. The lights all work, which is great. So all 12 of these worked. I didn't have any duds. These last 6 were a lot easier to put up than the first because I kind of got a knack for it. So yeah, looking good. Now these are sensitive. For example, even in the moonlight, if you get close to them, they'll turn themselves off. See, pretty cool. So I think they're giving adequate light. All right, let's go to the first ones we put up, the front of the fence. Check them out. They are not super, I think they're bright, white bright, or I'm not sure the name, cold white maybe, but they don't go down very far. They don't, of course it's not pitch black here, but yeah, they don't like put a spotlight on on the bottom, or the grass where the plants are at. They don't do that. Now they may if I hang out around this in the yard, or come back out like at 12 o'clock or something when it's pitch black. But yeah, I think they're sufficient for what they are. I think they have a really nice accent to the fence. I think they really set off maybe even a little bit of security here, so I like that. All right, here we are, sidewalk view. Check them out. Yeah, that's our LED solar fence lights. All 12 of them work just fine. I think it was OTDAIR, maybe, I can't remember. It didn't say on the box, but yeah, pretty happy with it. Yeah, here's a, and yeah, they were metal frames. You can get different colors. Seems like a pretty good quality product. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.